And now we turn our attention to a new adventure suit, the new 485 jacket and pants from South African kit company Metalize. And before we get into anything else, let's talk about the obvious. It's brown.
This is the suit for the educated man. Brown is an educated color. Go look at all these top sort of university professors and all of that. I mean the real ones, not the sort of dazzling ones. They wear brown suits. Besides that, brown is also the color of the soil, and mud and things like that. So, should you come short on your bike and you end up with a bit of mud on you, well, perhaps your mates won't notice because it kind of blends into the suit. The other brown stuff that comes out when you come short or when something happens, well, yeah, luckily that's also brown. So, yeah, brown suits for the win.
With that out of the way, let's get to the nitty-gritty. The 485 suit meets all the safety requirements with protective padding in the bottom, knees, shoulders, elbows, and back, making the rider feel more confident. There is also mesh everywhere to let air in. There's scorch-light reflectors all over so the rider can be seen in the dark. The pockets are all either zip up or velcro, and all waterproof so rain won't end your cell phone life. The recommended prices are 2,800 Rand for the jacket and 2,200 Rand for the trousers, which is bang on. All that is good, but here is the suit's real party trick.
Now, I am more typical South African. And people say to me, yeah, lose weight, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, whatever. I am the more typical South African, not just South African. You go to Britain, you go to America, all sorts of places. This is the typical build. And yet we always seem to be buying our motorcycle kit from Europe, where that's not the typical build. So you'll often find that your suits are like designed around Italian men or Spanish men or something, with a slim waistline and blah blah blah, and their body shape is not the same as majority of South Africans. Even the guys who are not overweight, our body shape is different. And Metalize is a South African company, so that's good news. So it means this actually fits. I mean, this jacket, for example, jacket and pants, they zip up fine, bolt up fine, everything like that fine. They're really, they're comfortable. Now, usually when I find a suit that I can zip up or bolt up, button up fine on the pants, usually that means it's designed for a person that's about 15 feet tall. It's like people who design clothing have some sort of chart with a waist to height ratio, and someone with my waistline is about 15 feet tall. So my hands end up somewhere where my elbows should be because the sleeve's too long, and then my neckline over here is somewhere around my ears because the whole thing is just too long. Also, my legs it's all bunched up. The knee guard is somewhere down by my shin. It's all a catastrophe. It all doesn't work. But again, this is built for a South African body, so it's all fine. I mean, these are slightly long, but they're really not bad. The rest of it's not bad. The rest of it fits fine, and I'm comfortable. I'm really comfortable. I can sit in this all day. Well, that's kind of the idea, to be in it all day, and I can be in it all day.
And it's even better off-road.
Now, I'm sure many of you have ridden off-road before, especially if you're interested in an adventure suit. And you might know that off-roading is hard work, which is why I'm rather grateful for all the venting going on here. Because, yeah, perspiration's a problem, especially for people like me. Yeah. The suit that fits helps on off-road also, because when it doesn't fit, in off-road you need to move around a lot more. You're standing up, you're kind of moving around on the bike, you may be wrestling the bike a little bit, Stuff's happening when you're riding off-road, and it really helps that your suit fits properly. Because when it doesn't fit properly, it becomes all restrictive, and then that makes off-road riding more difficult. It's comforting that I can feel all the padding and all the protection. Like when I move my shoulder blades, I can feel the back protector. I move my arms, I can feel the elbow pads, I can feel the knee pad, I can feel all these pads everywhere. That does mean that, I could I feel more confident when I ride off-road because, well, I kind of under the belief that I'd be far more protected should something go wrong. So, yeah, that's good news.
This Metalize 485 suit is still new and I will be using it over the next few months and reporting back. Until then, it is available from dealers all over the country.